Hello and welcome to this BitifEye tutorial. In this tutorial we will show you the usage of our ValueFrame PCI Express test automation software. In this step we can select the instruments that will be used for the calibrations and tests. We click the Configure.The button. The main configuration panel will show up. Here we select interface type and the version. The available interface types may depend on the selected version. We select DOT type. We will see that in compliance mode the clock architecture is fixed. Switching here to expert mode makes other clock architectures available. We can also select which data rates you want to test. Let's click in Show Parameters. Settings on the first tab apply to all data rate. For example, if we have the option for that installed, we can select to use a custom BER reader here. The other tabs contain options specific to data rates. When we are done, we press OK. In the lanes configuration window, we can select which lanes to test separately for RX and TX test. We can also choose if we want to calibrate only for lane 0 and use the data from that for everything or calibrate each lane individually. We press OK and OK. In the main window we will see a tree containing nodes for calibration, receiver tests, link equalization tests and transmitter tests. For this part we select all calibrations and click the Start button. A connection diagram will show up, how to connect the instruments, cables and accessories. We make sure everything is set up as shown before you press OK. ValueFrame runs the calibration procedures. Different calibrations require different connections depending on the data rate and test point. A connection diagram will pop up whenever we need to change something on our hardware. Now we click OK, and ValueFrame proceeds with the calibration runs. Now all the calibrations that are necessary to run are finished. We close the dialog. That's it. Thank you for watching.